Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being new. Now I always love getting some new things, so I can't wait to see what I got. Coming into this piece, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to make when it came to the word new. So after a while of thinking, I decided I would paint something new that I can't get myself right now, and that is a cool new car. I've actually never drawn or painted a vehicle before, other than when I was 5 and did that same kind of drawing that every kid does of a car. But being that I have never drawn a car before, it was definitely a bit more of a challenge for me to make this piece. I really wanted to make the car seem as though it was moving or drifting down the road really fast, so I made all the strokes as horizontal as I possibly could. But I will be quiet and let you guys enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word new. Now I think this turned out really cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!